Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of short-term training program on Python 3.4.3 conducted by the Dr. K. N. Modi University association with Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. I am Rahul Kumar, Assistant Professor of Dr. K. N. Modi University. In behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Departments, I am warm welcome to all my participants. On preview of 2 days, I hope you learned too much from the tutorial. A small recap, a small overview of ours, all the models, all the lectures of before past 2 days. First model, uh, first model is the defining the basic plotting. Basic plotting say that the first is multiple plot, second one is our subplots, and third one is our additional feature of IPythons. In these parts, we can learn different functions, different methods. So how can make it multiple plots, subplots, and IPython features. Then second model is about the plotting experimental data. Experimental data in the sense we can load the file from the load the data from the different files. So that's a small overview of our all the lectures. First lectures of first day is the getting start with the IPythons. In these parts, we can learn about the IPython interpreters, navigate the IPython interpreter, and the installation process of IPythons. Then second method of our second lecture of our day 2 is the using the plot command. So we can use paylab command for making a plot commands. Then we can plot a mathematical functions commands. Then clear drawing command, clear drawing area using clear commands. So this types of function. So we make plots. Then third lecture is the making a plots. So we can modify the attributes of plots. So attributes in the sense we can rename the axis name. We can rename the different plots name. Then we can make it titles of plots. What are the main aim of this plotting? Then third one we use the name of the x-axis and y-axis by the xlim or ylim command. Then fourth lecture or last lecture of day 1 is the saving plot. So we can save the plot using the save file commands. Then we can use also different formats to make it save plot. That's like PDF, images, PNG. This is more parts of our lecture ones. Then we can move on day 2. Day 2 first lecture is a multiple plots. So multiple plots in the sense we can say that we can overlap the one commands one plots one overview of second plots. This main examples is the weather predictions of different days is a overlapping of something. Is a second example of our cricket. Cricket team, one team is scoring some runs, then second team is also pitching the same parts. So this type of parts is called the multiple plots. Then subplot is a plot of plot is a subplot. So we can use the subplot by subplot commands. Then we can switch between subplots and switching. Then last method of first model and second last lecture of model 2. So additional feature of IPython. So in this feature we can learn about the scripting, how can make a history using percentage history command. We can save all the commands by using percentage save commands, and how can make a script by using the IPython command. Then last lecture of our second day lecture is last day of second lecture is the additional features. In the sense we can say that the experimental plotting. So we can plot a data from different files. So this is a overlook of our day 1 and day 2 lectures. Then we can start day 3 lectures. In the day 3 lectures, there are the 4 lectures in day 3. It is a part of our second model, experimental plotting through the different data. So first we learn about in second is to how can we load a data from a files. Then second one says that the plotting the bar chart. How can to make a bar chart plotting. Then third one is the different plotting diagrams. We can say that the bar chart, scroll charts, 2D axis, 3D axis, then different chart to make a different parts of the our charts. Then other types of plotting in the sense is the 2D plotting, 3D plotting. In this part we can learn about the different model of the parts. Then we can learn about the plotting chart. Then we can start the third models. Third models says that the handling of files is a file handling system. How can handle the file? So on this model we can learn about the first lecture, first parts of our on this models. First model is getting it start with the list. Or list, you know that the list is a combination of any elements. So I think you learn more about on these videos and details parts of our all the plotting parts, experimental plotting parts, how can be experimental done on these parts. So thank you very much. Have a good day.